Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert fillable line in Microsoft Word document. So keep your cursor here, insert and shape, select the line, press and hold shift and draw line. Change weight like 3 point, change color. Now select Ctrl and V. You have to select it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So this is the way you can write fillable line in Microsoft Word. And same second method you can try. Keep your cursor here, press shift and minus sign as many as you need, like this. Press and hold shift and press minus sign. So thanks for watching.